Now the next event handler is the onblur event handler. So onblur is for the input field. Whenever we click on the text field, it gets selected. But as soon as the user clicks outside of the field, then we used to call it onblur. It means that when the user is using the field or when the user enters some data in the field, then it's okay, nothing would happen. But as soon as the user clicks outside the field, you can call any event you want. I will teach you this method of event handling through an example script. In this scenario, we would create a page on which we would have two fields. One will be the input field, on the other would be the output field. In the area of entry, the user would add some data. When the user is done adding data, we have to convert that data into uppercase, and that we will do through the onblur event handler. So here I need a function first where we will call as the event. So I am creating a function now. So I will write function. Okay, in the smalls I have to write this. Okay, function. Then let's give its name uppercase. Okay, and then I need two input fields. So in my HTML I will write one for name. So it will be input type is equals to text. Then we have to give it some ID. So ID is equals to suppose user, and then here I will use onblur event handler. Onblur is equals to the function name, which is uppercase. Okay, and then the parenthesis. Okay, and after that I have to write br tag. So let's give two br tags. Okay, then I will give another input field. So let's write converted. So this will be same, just copy this and paste it here, and here I need the ID to be suppose convert, and there is no need to call the function from this event for this input field. Okay, so I am ready with two input fields and the function which will do the required functionality. First of all, I need to save the data entered by the user into a variable. So in the function I will write a variable. So where, and data is the name of variable, is equals to document dot get element by id. Then we have to select that input field, so its id is user, and after that to get its value I will just write dot value. Okay, so now I have the data and I want to change the data into uppercase, and also I want to show the converted data into the second field. So I will use this data variable, and I will write document dot get element by id. Then I will select the converted input field, so I have to write here convert, and then I want to change its value, so I will write dot value is equals to, I have the data in the data variable, so I will write data, and to convert it into the uppercase I just write to uppercase like this, and then a semicolon. Okay, now we are done with the function, and now it's time to check the script. So save this and go to the browser and refresh the web page. Okay, here we are getting two fields. We have to enter data into the first field and we'll get the data converted to uppercase in the second field. Let's add some data to this area. So let me write my name. So I am writing my name, let me write in small Ankit, and okay, now I am clicking outside the field, and you can see that we have got the data in the second field, which is in the uppercase. So this is how we use onblur event handler. This handler is to use whenever we want to call a function when the field becomes inactive. I hope this concept is now very clear to you. I see you in my next video class. Thank you.